What have the rich and powerful done for the poor of this country? The answer is not enough. Sant Tukaram holds God, the most powerful of all, accountable. Let us take this inspiration and demand that billionaires and politicians do more for the weakest sections of society. समर्थाचे बाळ पांघरे वाकळ हसती सकळ लोक कोण If a child of the powerful is sleeping on the streets covered in a cheap blanket, who will all the people laugh at? They will laugh at the powerful. समर्थासी लाज आपुल्या नावाची शरण आल्या याची लागे चिंता. The powerful should care about their own image and reputation. They should protect and nurture those seeking their protection. जरी तुझं काही होईल उचित तरी हा पतित तारी तुका. Tuka says to the powerful, if you have any intention of doing the right thing, how about saving the soul of an oppressed person like me? The text is in the caption. That is all for today. See you in the next poem tomorrow. भेटू उद्या पुढच्या अभंगात तुकोबांच्या कवित्वाच्या अंगणात.